Previously on PokeHack.
The pilot has challenged No Limits Corey.
Tastes like victory.
You think you can compete with the original?
I use
The best and ultimate blind life hack.
Incredible. Welcome PokeHack trainers and fighters. Are you ready to become a PokeHack master? Here's how it works. This is a head-to-head battle where each life hack is an attack. Each hack can score up to 100 total hit points and is scored by AI. Scores are made up of 6 categories: usefulness, ease of use, cost, use frequency, creativity, and humor. Add these up, and the trainer with the highest score wins.
Real quick, guys, I have to announce that our first official No Limits t-shirt just dropped. We have See the Samurai in the middle with a red comic style No Limits on top, and the bottom reads My Pain with pain crossed out and replaced with power in a huge red font. If you're here, I know you feel this. This is what we're doing with this video, turning pain into power.
Check the description or comments below to get one.
Let's get back to it.
No Limits Corey continues his journey to become a PokeHack master. After 2 victories over Phantom Orphan, he thought he was ready for more, until being pushed to the limit by the blind life. Now that he's recovered, a new challenger emerges. Blind Bee World has entered the arena.
I'm Blind V World, your average blind, forest-dwelling sorcerer, a samurai challenging me to a fight. What could go wrong?
They said bad vision is a weakness, but they haven't met me.
This is PokeHack 4. Game loading. Both trainers have 360 HP. Are they ready to battle?
The time is 2:03.
Oh, I'm late for the battle.
Blind V World.
Legally Blind No Limits is searching for his
Blind
opponent.
V World. I found you.
Excuse me? That's actually a tree.
Wait, what? Again? Hey, where is this guy?
2 hours later.
Round 1.
Which spell is my favorite? Blind time. When you're visually impaired, a lot of things take more time than you think. So my hack for you, always add about 25% extra time to the clock to make sure you're not rushing for things. You never know when a stream will magically pop in your way. Build a kiss, bridge a kiss, and you happen to run out of magic. Seriously though, one of the most important things I've added to my life as a visually impaired person is extra time in all the plans that I make. First thing it does is protect my safety. When I'm not rushing to do something like cross the street, I make better decisions because I'm not trying to get there in time. I'm trying to do things as safely as possible. The second thing it does is allow me to arrive places early most of the time and scope out the area, figure out, okay, this place has better lighting than this place. And the third thing it does is allow me to enjoy myself more. If I have the extra time and I feel like I'm not compromising my safety because of my vision impairment, my whole life gets a whole lot easier.
So for anybody using one of these white canes, I mean a sword, what do you do with it when you're out to eat? For my first move, I use the sealed sword. Guys, nobody knows better than us, but our cane tips are disgusting. I asked so many people in the blind community, yo, what do you do when you're out? And nobody had a good answer.
I'm disgusting with, man. I leave my cane on the floor and I know I shouldn't.
I guess I kind of just treat my cane like a pair of shoes.
If I am out at a restaurant where I'm sitting in one of those like singular chairs, honestly, I just fold it up and kind of put it behind my butt.
Put it behind me in my seat.
It really depends. Sometimes I actually fold it up and put it right behind my.
And that's why you need this. You know those old umbrella bags you never use? Literally, take that off the umbrella, put your cane inside, and boom, the grossness is sealed. Your food is safe, and you can literally throw this into another bag or wear it like a backpack itself. It's a cheap fix for a problem we all have.
For round 1, Blind Time did 90 damage. The sealed sword did 95. No Limits Corey has 270 HP left. Blind Bee World has 265. Round 2.
magic carpet. When you're traveling, have you ever been leaving the hotel room, but because you can't see where all your stuff is, you have to ask a friend to help you look around the entire hotel room to make sure you're not leaving anything behind? Have I got the hack for you? Inside my suitcase, I always carry my magic carpet. Let me show you how it works. Now, this is made of Tyvek, a sheet of like waterproof, very lightweight material, nice bright white color here. And I like to buy an extra big one so that you can kind of fold it up and fit it to your space. I put all of my items that I'm not actively using on this magic carpet. So my rule for myself when I'm in a hotel room is that if I'm not actively using the item, I will store it on this carpet. That includes dirty clothes, that includes my cane, my luggage, literally every last item that's not actively on me in use, apart from maybe my charger plugged into the wall, will go on this carpet. And then when I leave the room, all I have to do is collect all the things from this known texture and this big bright white space, put it into the suitcase, and I know independently that I haven't missed a single thing.
That's actually genius.
Hey Gemini, can I drink this? Guys, I really thought the days of me knowing colors or being able to read a label was over. When your vision isn't perfect and you're by yourself, trying to do things that require good vision make you feel powerless. All right. And that's why it's time for my second hack, the robot homie. The amount of AI right now giving us literal superpowers, y'all. You got apps like Colorblind Pal, which help me know what color things are so I can match my clothes to my sneakers. But you also got the big dogs, Be My Eyes, Be My AI, Meta Glasses, Gemini, ChatGPT. All these things could turn you from feeling weak to being an independent beast. Anytime your eyes need a little more help, the robot homies got your back.
Whoa, a new foe has appeared.
Hey, my name is Sylvia and I'm a content creator and I'm a mom and I'm a wife and I'm a disability advocate and I'm so many other things. Oh, and I'm blind. Okay, let's go. This is my hack. We're gonna call this the Lollipop Lady. Yeah, because that's what the Lollipop Lady does when they're helping children cross the road. They hold out this stop sign. Stop! So I use this hack when I'm crossing the road and there's no like traffic lights, there's no crossing points, no zebra crossing, nothing like that. Usually you'd see that in interior roads. So what I do is I stand on the edge of the pavement and obviously I've got my cane in front of me. Say hi to Biggie Sparkles and then I just stretch out my hand in front of me like a lollipop lady and basically hold my hand there for about 3 to 4 seconds. No cars have gone beep beep beep. Nobody else said wait. There's no alarm from anybody. So then I start taking steps forward and the trick with that is as well, when you're crossing, just go for it. Okay, be bolshy, just do it, go for it. You can't beat that one.
For round 2, Magic Carpet did 95 damage. The Robot Homie did 91. Lollipop Lady did 86. No Limits Corey has 89 HP left. Blind Bee World has 88. Final round.
You thought I wasn't gonna find you? Like, I got you now, my boy.
Foresight. Does this ever happen to you? You get to a restaurant and you can't read the menu, or you get to the restaurant, there's too long of a wait and your group decides to go to a different restaurant that you hadn't planned for, or when you get to the restaurant, you see a table that's really well lit and would have been ideal, but you can't sit there because the table's already taken. As a visually impaired person, I found it useful to plan everything as if I was a pilot. Pilots plan for every contingency: weather, alternate airports. Here's the 4 things I try to plan for each outing. First thing is an alternate location. If we're going to a specific restaurant, I like to plan where else nearby could we go, and is there a walking route between them that's accessible for me, or am I gonna have to ask for help from one of my friends? Second thing I do is plan an alternate transportation. That means if a friend is giving me a ride, I make sure I have Uber loaded up into my phone and I'm ready to call it so I'm not fumbling if things change. The next thing I like to do is call ahead to restaurants and locations, tell them my specific situation, let them know I'm vision impaired and what kind of accommodations I may need. Do some online research about the location. That could include looking through the menu online and understanding what you're gonna order and what options are gonna be there when you get there. That could also be looking at pictures of the environment and even understanding where things like exits are.
For my third and final hack, I use VIP dominance.
Help! Get me out of here!
Make way for the VIP!
All right, y'all, let me tell y'all the truth. This was the last straw for me at an airport without getting help, right? We're traveling, I don't know if we were going to DR or to Arizona, but I'm lugging bags. It's me and my wife, my 2 kids, right? I'm lugging a whole bunch of stuff. I am crashing into everything. You know those lines, those like aisles with like the string in the middle? I'm walking into I'm crushing those. I'm knocking into people. This lady behind me goes, "I don't know why you're wearing glasses, because you can't see anything." And I was like, I just moved my head to look at her. She's like, "Why are you wearing glasses?" And I'm like, as I felt the rage take over my body, my blood was boiling, y'all. I was about to explode, y'all. But something told me, you know what? Just tell her, just be honest. Hey, I'm legally blind. I can't see anything, you're right. She goes, "Oh, that makes sense." That's when I knew I needed to leave New York, but that's also when I knew I needed help at an airport, y'all. So since that day, I was like, forget this. I'm gonna go jump in that wheelchair. I'm gonna jump in that wheelchair, I'm gonna be happy about it. Not only do I avoid running into people, and that includes little kids because I can't see them, it helps me be on time. I get to keep my sanity. I get to be confident knowing I'm going to the right place. I've been at the wrong gate thinking I was at the right gate before, guys. I've been lost, I've been confused, I've been angry because nobody wants to tackle everybody at an airport. If you polled everybody who was at an airport at the same time as me, I promise you I ran into 98.9% of them. The 1% that survived were in the bathroom. Okay, I was crushing people. Why should we go through this, guys? If you want to avoid all that stress and know that you're in the right place at the right time and you get to be treated like a VIP, VIP dominance is your hack. Let's go.
For round 3, Foresight did 85 damage. VIP dominance did 88. No Limits Corey has 3 HP left. Blindy World has 0 HP left. Here's all the scores. He fainted.
Oh, he's good. He's good.
This is how you flex on them when you win.
Defeat never looked so good.
Wow, No Limits Corey has won the battle. Who do you think should have won? Drop your vote in the comments. Who will our hero battle next? We'll see you next time on PokeHack.